We'll guide you through how to fix can't access the Apple ID account or iCloud settings and them being disabled. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So what I want to do is I want to go and change some iCloud or Apple ID account settings. So what we do is go and open up the settings app like so, but you can go and see at the top here where I want to go and tap to access my Apple account, iCloud and more. It's disabled, it's grayed out and unavailable and I can't go and tap on it. This can be really annoying as I then can't go in there to go and change the different settings. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this and some other things that you may find useful when resolving this problem. So make sure this full guide, you're going to know what to do step by step. So this is happening because there's been a restriction set on the accounts that can go and be accessed and changed on the device. Because ultimately, if we go in here, you could potentially go and sign out the account and make other adjustments as well. So changes have been disabled on this iPhone. But what we can do is go and enable them again. So what we're going to do is go and guide you through this step by step. So once you're in your settings, what you then need to do is go and start scrolling down. You want to go and find the option for screen time. So you want to come in here like so. If you're struggling to go and find it, you can always go and search at the bottom and then you can go and find it. So let's come into screen time. Now, what you need to do is go down and you need to go and find the option for content and privacy restrictions. And you can come into here and in here, you then need to go and scroll down and you're looking for the option for allowing changes to. And you can see here, we've got accounts, but it's set to don't allow. So what you need to do is go and tap in here like so. And then it says disallowing changes prevents adding, removing, or modifying accounts in passwords and accounts. And this setting also seems to apply to the Apple ID and iCloud account at the top of your settings. So what you need to do here is go and change this to allow. Now you're going to be asked for your screen time passcode. It's important to know this is not your iPhone passcode. So there's been a separate passcode set for your screen time. Maybe you set this up, maybe somebody else did, or you can't go and remember it or you don't know it. If that's the case, don't worry, we'll guide you through that in a moment. If you set it up, go and enter it in. If somebody else did, they'll need to. If you set it up and you've forgotten it, don't worry. We can actually go and reset this. So you need to come out of here. Even if you can't change to allow, don't worry for now, come back. You want to then go and scroll down to where it says change screen time passcode and tap there. You can go and press change. And it says enter in the old one, but of course you don't know it. So what you can do is press forgot passcode and then you can go and recover it with the Apple account you provided when setting up the screen time passcode. So enter that in there. I set up with my Apple ID. So you can enter that in. And after you go and verify that account, you'll then be able to go and change the screen time passcode without the old one-to-one you know. So that's how you can go and reset it. And then after you've done that, what you can do is go into content and privacy, back to the allowing changes to and come into accounts and change that to allow. Then you can come back out of here after changing that to allow. And we can scroll to the top of settings and now hopefully it's available. You can go and tap on it and now you can go and start making changes. If you still find that it's grayed out, what you should do is try restarting the settings app. So you can go and swipe up on it like so, swipe on it to go and close it and then open it again. I found that could solve it. If it's still grayed out, you should try performing a restart. So you can go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Shortly, the phone screen will go black, but keep on holding it down. Only go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. And that indicates the phone is then coming back on and it'll go and start again. Then return to your settings and then hopefully the account at the top here will no longer be grayed out. It'll be available and you can then go and do what you want to in here. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come as well, covering everything from iPhones to Android to your computer to different softwares and games.